Hi, so I wanted to share two techniques that therapists use on clients when clients want to come out of something that they are facing in the present. Now, the first thing is, what is the ideal situation? This is something I used to ask the clients when they are facing some kind of a problem. Now, when we are facing a problem, we only think about what we don't want rather than what we want. So that's a very simple thing, but think about it. When you have a problem in your life, you're most often thinking about what you don't want, all the aspects of the problem that you don't want in your life. That is the only things we think about. So what is the ideal situation that you need is a very good question to make you think about what you do want. So when the client starts talking about it, they themselves realize that most of the things that they want to change is around them, the surrounding and people around them. And when they realize that they have very less control or no control over those things, they then start taking some steps within themselves to either cope with the situation or change the situation. And then another second technique to help with this is a when-then technique. Now, when-then technique is basically, it's just a sentence that you have to fill. It's so when blank, then blank, right? So if for example, if I need to drink more water on a daily basis, I will use the when-then technique. So I will say, when it's morning, then I fill my bottle. Simple. So when I keep saying this to myself, it becomes an automatic thought. So what is an automatic thought? It's something they use in psychotherapy. It's called it's under cognitive therapy. It's automatic thoughts are those thoughts which subconsciously occur. You don't really think about thinking them. Okay, so when you use this when then sentence quite regularly in your life, it becomes an automatic thought. So when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you think about is filling your bottle. Then your mind automatically goes into being dehydrated the rest of the day, because the first thing you get up, you think about filling your bottle. So it's not it can be effective only if you keep on repeating that sentence to yourself until it becomes an automatic thought. And from what I hear, it doesn't take more than a week for it to work. Now, these two techniques will work only if your issue is in the present and it doesn't have any deep core subconscious issues. So if they don't work and if you have something deeper to work out with, then please don't hesitate to visit a therapist or a counselor. Hope this helps you. Take care.